If you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click that link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord.
What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi. Welcome back to the Courtside Financial podcast. I'm a NIO enthusiast and investor, and in today's episode, we've got a lot to unpack. We'll be discussing two major stories here today. Changan's massive investment into Huawei's automotive sector of their business. We'll also be talking about the ongoing struggles at Xpeng as it struggles to find its footing in an increasingly competitive market. Both of these stories have profound implications for the automotive industry and, of course, for our favorite company, NIO. So this is going to be a super interesting, super insightful episode. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell icon, and leave a comment down below. All your engagement really does go a long way in helping out the channel. And so without further ado, let's get into today's episode. Let's start with the big news from Changan Automobile. They recently made a massive investment, sending waves throughout the market by making an 11.5 billion yuan investment into Huawei, acquiring a 10% stake in Huawei's automotive business. This move further solidifies Changan's commitment to advancing their presence in the high-end smart EV market, especially through their Avida brand, which already has deep ties with Huawei. Now, why is this significant? Well, Changan's investment's not just a financial move. It's also a strategic one. By acquiring this stake, Changan is essentially doubling down on the relationship that they have with Huawei, aiming to leverage Huawei's cutting-edge technology to elevate their business. We've seen how critical partnerships can be in the EV industry. By partnering up with Huawei, Changan is betting that these closer ties will give them a competitive edge in a market that's ultimately just becoming fiercely competitive as it's driven by technology. For NIO, this is a story to watch closely. NIO does have their own partnership with Changan as well under their Power Up Alliance, but Huawei's technology and their intelligent driving systems are highly regarded. If Changan can successfully integrate Huawei into their vehicles, it could raise the bar for everyone else in the EV industry, including NIO. However, NIO has already prided itself at the forefront of innovation, particularly with their own NIO Pilot autonomous driving system. The question now is, can NIO stay ahead of the curve here? This move by Changan brings forth another important part about electric vehicles, the value of partnership. We've seen how collaborations can make or break companies in this industry. Take Xpeng, for example, which is facing some struggles right now despite its efforts to turn things around. Xpeng released their Q2 2024 financial results, and while they've managed to reduce losses, the overall picture is still grim. From January to July, Xpeng sold 63,000 vehicles, just 22.6% of their annual target. Compare that to NIO, which sold 108,000 vehicles, achieving 47% of its target. The contrast here couldn't be starker. While it is obvious that the EV industry has been struggling a little bit in China this year, Xpeng's struggles highlight the broader issue in the EV market. How can you keep up with major players when your finances are lagging behind? Xpeng's answer seems to be a renewed focus on intelligent driving, as I think we talked about in the last episode, or one of the last two episodes here. With the upcoming Mona ML3 model priced aggressively to attract new consumers, Xpeng's making a bet that this will help out their bottom line. But will that be enough? This brings us back to NIO. Success isn't just about having great product. It's about having a vision, building a brand that resonates with customers, and most importantly, trying to execute on that vision consistently. Xpeng's trying to catch up, but their struggles show that it's not just about having the best technology or price point. It's about building trust and loyalty with customers, something that NIO has excelled at. They've done this through a community-based approach, building NIO houses and having unparalleled customer service. But NIO can't rest on their laurels either. The market's evolving, and companies like Xpeng and Changan are making moves that could shift the competitive landscape. For NIO, the challenge is to keep innovating, keep improving, and most importantly, keep listening to their customers. The road ahead is full of opportunities, but also challenges, and it's up to them to navigate these successfully. So what does this mean for all of us NIO investors and enthusiasts? It means that we need to stay informed, we need to stay engaged, and continue to support the brand that we believe in. NIO has proven time and time again that it has has what it takes to lead the industry. But as we've seen with Changan's investment in Huawei and Xpeng's advances in intelligent driving, the competition isn't standing still. That's it for today's episode of the CF podcast. If you found this discussion valuable, make sure to like and subscribe. I want to know what you guys think about all of this. Leave a comment down below. Click the notification bell icon. We will be back with more content. Had to take a little bit of a break right now. I had a bunch of changes going on. But we're back and we're here to be consistent. But again, I do want to know, what do you guys think about these developments? How do you think that they could impact NIO? What do you think that we're going to see from NIO in the not so far future? Thank you, everyone. Have a good evening and a good night. Bye.